Duplicating a photo or video on iOS 26 is super simple when you follow these steps. Open your Photos app, go to the library so you see a list of all your photos and videos, and then all you do is you tap and hold on one of them, like I'm doing on this video, then tap on Duplicate. Now we have two versions of this 17-second video. And then you can go in and edit one of them, and the original one stays untouched. You can do the same thing for photos, just tap and hold on a photo, tap on Duplicate, and it's the exact same idea. You can do that for as many as you have storage space for. And if you want more storage space on your phone, as in finding stuff that's taking up space and deleting it by emptying all the trash cans on your phone, this is the video you got to check out next. I'll show you 5 separate trash cans on your iPhone that should be deleted on a regular basis to make sure you have maximum space on your phone. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.